Buongiorno! What we doing today? Something quick, something veloce, something that you will love it. Leftover pasta is what tastes better. We do a lot of food that we have to marinate, a lot of food that we have to cook before, and the day after is always best. Pasta, don't throw away. Nothing have to be wasted. So 3 eggs, a little bit of cow's milk. Then we put some salt, here we are, and some pepper to make it spicy. Okay, so extra virgin olive oil. You can use any oil for this dish, but I prefer my extra virgin olive oil. Make sure the oil covers the whole frying pan because we don't want to stick it. Signore e signori, la frittata è fatta. It means the omelette is ready. Take the spaghetti that you cooked yesterday. Ooh. Ah, the sizzling. That's what I like to hear. Okay, so at this point, what I'm gonna put is some parmesancino, parmigiano, come dice mio nonno, diceva parmigiano tutti i giorni, che è buono per te. Now, at this point, I put my egg. Make sure that the egg goes everywhere, and look at that, I love it. It's a great, great dish. Okay, let's see what is happening here. Now there is a trick that I have to tell you, is girarla sotto sopra, come dicono loro. So, put one plate on top of it, make sure that you turn it around, and voila, look la pasta fritta. Ancora is not ready, aspetta. So some more oil again the bottom to cover it, and voila, take your plate, and ladies and gentlemen, here we have a pasta fritta. Eat as much as you can. Ladies and gentlemen, if you like this pasta, go to my channel, subscribe it, put there with the little finger, I like it, and I'll see you here next time very, very soon with another quick dish for you. Ciao, ciao.